Jai Hind all of you. Hope all of you are doing well at home. Today we are going to start our chapter number 11, that is force and pressure. As it is seen in the diagrams, a person is pulling a table, pushing a table, children are pushing or pulling a box. So what a force basically is? Basically force is a push or pull or both. What do you mean by push? A force to move an object away from our bodies, and a pull is the opposite of push. When we apply force to move a body away from towards our body. So force is a pull or push. Its SI unit is a Newton. Now I am going to categorize the force. Basically it is categorized into two categories: contact forces and non-contact forces. In contact forces, there is actual physical contact between the two bodies, for example muscular force, frictional force, etc. And in case of non-contact force, there is no physical contact between the two bodies, for example gravitational force, electrostatic force, etc. Now I am going to discuss about the various effects a force can produce. As we know, we cannot see force, we cannot visualize it, we can see only the effects it can produce. So the first effect is it can move a stationary body. Suppose a ball is lying on the ground at rest and you applied force to move it. Second effect is stop a moving body. A ball is coming towards you. You use your foot to apply force on the ball and to stop it. Third one is change the direction of a moving body. If a ball is coming towards you and you kick the ball in another direction, in this way you can change the direction by applying force. And fourth one is change the shape of a moving body. You can also change the shape of a body. For example, you squeeze a lemon to extract the juice. At last the shape of the lemon will be changed. And the last one is change the speed of a moving body. So by applying force, you can also change the speed of the moving body. Here comes the activity number 1. So what is the case here? A lady is wearing sneakers and she steps on your foot accidentally, and in the case B, ladies wear sharp heels and she steps on you accidentally. Which will be more painful? Obviously case B. Why so? Actually the force applied is same in both the case. As the lady is the same, her weight is same, so the force applied will be same. So what makes the difference? The difference in case A and B is basically the area. As we know, sneakers have larger area and sharp heels will be having lesser area. That's why the pressure on our foot will be more in case B. So here comes another quantity, that is pressure. What is pressure? Pressure is force acting per unit area. Its formula is force over area. SI unit of pressure is Newton per meter square or Pascal. So basically we deal with SI units, so we will use Pascal or Newton per meter square. It depends upon two factors. First one is force and second one is area. It has direct relation with the force. That means more the force we apply, more will be the pressure applied. And second one is area. It have inverse relation with area. That means more the area, lesser is the pressure. Here are many examples which depicts its dependence on the second factor, that is area. I'm now going to give some example to illustrate it. First one is a person is poked with the finger, and in second case she is poked with the sharp needle. Which will be more painful? Obviously when poked with the needle. Why? Because needle have smaller area. Smaller the area, more will be the pressure. There are many daily observations also. School bags have white straps. Why so? Because white straps have more area. More the area, lesser will be the pressure on our shoulder. Second one is sharp knife cuts better than a blunt knife. So more the as we know, sharp knife have the lesser area. Lesser the area, more will be the pressure it produce. So sharp knife cut easily. Third one is heavy vehicles like tractors have broad tires to withstand its high weight, so that it may produce less pressure on the ground. Last one is foundation of buildings, dams laid on larger area. Wooden or concrete slippers are provided under the railway line, or military tanks have provided with wide belt so that it produce less pressure over the ground. So all of these observations are explained on the same fact, that is, more the area, lesser is the pressure, and lesser is the area, more will be the pressure. Hence, now you are able to calculate, if you are given area in contact, that is 0.05 meter square and force 600 Newton, you can calculate simply the pressure by dividing them. So now what we learnt in this chapter, basically force, its types, its various effects, its units, pressure, its daily observation that are based on it, and its formula. So now I will provide you the assignment which can be solved on the basis of this chapter. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.